Welcome back to our channel. This is 5M Gadget channel. Today Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G unboxing and overview. First look box. It's very color look like Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite style. Box front side 108MP logo here and some stickers. Box bottom side barcode and phone variant here. It's 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. And box backside dragon logo look like K30 Pro and 108MP camera megapixel number here and Redmi Note 9 Pro logo. Okay, don't waste your time. First open the box and look inside box contents. Inside the box front side mini box here. Mini box inside some paperworks and free case. It's TPU case. Quality is not bad. Overall good. More main box front side mobile phone here. See guys, this phone color. I'm really like it. Do you like this color? Like this video, put the phone side later look deep. More main box inside AC adapter here. It's support 33 watts fast charging and Type-C cable. Overall no headphone box inside. First look phone. Remove the plastic wrapper. First look color. I'm love it this color. Phone handling feeling good. Phone weight not bulk feeling. It's good to use single hand users. It's good just compare Redmi Note 9. See guys, it's lightly slim. Okay, first finish the phone setup and come back again. Xiaomi has launched its Redmi Note 9 series in China, consisting of the Redmi Note 9 4G, Redmi Note 9 5G and the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. This is different to the Redmi Note 9 series launched in India earlier this year. The company has not revealed details of the device's international availability. However, considering that the Redmi Note 9 series already exists in many countries, it might be rebranded as another series. Let's look benchmark score. It's 3,52,000. The titular function of the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G is enabled by the Snapdragon 750G chipset and its X52 modem, same as on the S765G. Phone display 6.67 inches screen with 1080p plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. It's an adaptive display that offers 6 different refresh rates ranging from 30 Hz to 120 Hz. Touch sampling runs at 240 Hz to boot. The front and back are guarded by Gorilla Glass. Phone backside quad camera setup here. Main camera 108MP, camera did to 4 inches 1 binning. The quad camera on the back also features an 8MP ultra-wide cam, 120 degrees, a 2MP macro shooter, and a 2MP depth sensor. There's no telephoto cam, but the high resolution main sensor can do lossless digital zoom up to 3x. The selfie camera has a 16MP sensor. Let's look camera samples.
That's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be